it's an Esco. Nice. Oh, that's annoying. Wow, that is really annoying. And it doesn't even close all the way. Oh, JK, there it goes. V2? Oh, just kidding. It's locked. V1? Cover your ears. Fire cabinet is ajar. And it takes a second. You can see it going up there. It's hard to see because of the big light they have in the ceiling, but technically you can see all the way up. And I'm gonna end the ride up here because I think people are, I think there's people who need to use this elevator, so I don't want to be here fucking around on it for too long. Interesting scanner. I've not seen one like that before. Software house. All right, let it close. Yeah.